guys, and for today, for your circle activities, we have 3 different sheets that I have sent home. We have the number matching. We have which one has more, because that's something we've been working on, is more. And then we also have this one that says has fewer, but what we're going to do instead of the word fewer, we're going to use the word less, because that is a concept that we're working on, more and less. So those are the 3 sheets that we have today. Let's look at this one first. So this is just number matching. So we've done activities like this before. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at these pictures on the side and you're going to count them. So look, the first thing I see, make sure that you have a crayon or pencil. You're going to see the pictures and then you're going to have numbers on this side. And what we're going to do is count the pictures and then find the matching number on this side and draw a line to the matching number. So let's start with these things right here. What are those? We've been talking about them. Something that we use when it rains to keep us dry. Those are umbrellas. Good job, they're umbrellas. So let's count the umbrellas. There's 1, 2. 2 umbrellas. So now we need to find the number 2. Where is 2? There it is. There's number 2. So we're going to draw a line from the umbrellas, the 2 umbrellas, to the number 2. Let's do it together. We did it. Now look, what's this next one we have? It's a sun. Good job. Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. We know that song, right? So how many suns do we see? We see, let's count. Ready? 1. 1 sun. So that means we need to find number 1. Where is number 1? Is this number 1? No. Is that number 1? Yes, good job. So we need to draw a line from the sun to the number 1. Let's do it. There we go. So that's what you're going to do all the way down. So now you're going to count the ladybugs, then the worms, and then the butterflies. And remember, these are all things that we see during spring. So remember to count these and then find the matching number on the side. The next sheet we're going to do is this one. And this one says, which group has more? So we are going to count the pictures on each side. We're going to write our number. We're going to figure out which one is bigger. So which one has more? So let's look here. I see some water cans and then I see some plants. So first let's count our water cans together. Get your pointer fingers out. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And you might need help from either your parents or whoever's helping you to write the numbers. So what your parents can do is they can either write it on top to model it for you as an example. So the parents can write it on top so they can write it by themselves below, or you can provide some prompting or hand-over-hand assistance to write the number inside the box for them. So that's number 3. So now let's count our plants. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Same thing here. You can either model it for them, or maybe you could even do some dashes inside to have them trace it. And look, we could trace the number 6. This is the number 6. So look, we have 3 watering cans and 6 plants. Which one is bigger, a 3 or a 6? Which one has more? It's the 6. So that means there are more plants than watering cans. So we need to circle the group that has more. There are more plants because 6 is bigger than 3. So let's let's circle the plants because there are more plants than watering cans. And that's what you'll do all the way down for the bunnies and the chicks, the worms and the butterflies, and the tulip and the daisy. So that's that sheet. And our last sheet, this one might be a little bit trickier. This is working on less. So instead of finding which one has more, we're going to find the opposite. The opposite of more is less. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to count the pictures on each side. We're going to write the number, but instead of finding which one has more, we're going to figure out which one has less. So let's count our raindrops. Look, because during spring, what comes down from the sky? It's rain. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And make sure when you're counting, you're using your pointer fingers, you're going slow, and we're working on that one-to-one correspondence. So we counted 7 raindrops. So again, you can model it. You can do some dashes inside to work on writing our numbers. So we're going to write the number 7. Now, remember, we use these to keep us dry. What are those? It keeps us dry from the rain. Those are umbrellas. Good job. So now, let's get our pointer fingers out and count our umbrellas. 1, 2. Good job. 2 umbrellas. So we're going to write our number 2 inside the box. And remember, when you're counting, if your child seems to be going too fast and wanting to go all over, you can also provide some prompting or hand-over-hand assistance to slow them down or model the counting for them before. So we have 7 raindrops and 2 umbrellas. So before we were finding out which one had more, so which one was the bigger number. Now we're finding out which one has less. So we need to find the smaller number. Which one is smaller, the 7 or the 2? It's the 2. So that means there are less umbrellas because 2 is smaller than 7. So we're going to circle the 2. So we're going to continue to go down and you're going to find the one that has less. So the number that is smaller. If you guys have any questions on how to prompt or how to complete these activities, feel free to reach out, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. See you later.